Welcome guys to my vlog again. This is Teacher Jess at ngayon ay meron naman tayong gagawin. So yung gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng instructional material para sa ating COT. And this instructional material will serve as my MOVs. Kaya without so much ado, magpre-print na ako. So, ito pala yung piniprint ko at parang I think 5 words. And what I am going to do with this instructional material is gagawin ko siyang flashcards. O, diba? Isn't it amazing? And I also plan to laminate this instructional material para hindi siya masira kaagad-agad. And of course, magagamit pa siya sa susunod na mga taon. But I realized that ipipaste pala ito siya sa board. Kaya wag na lang, it's okay na ito mga guys. Ayan, so inaantay ko na lumabas na yung 5 words in 3 coupon band. Then after that, we will perform cutting. After ko na siya guys ma-print, so ito na yung outcome. So I have 3 coupon bonds. And ayan yung mga words. So gugupitin natin yan para magawa natin siya ng flashcard. I mean, makagawa tayo ng flashcards. So, ayan mga guys, at inumpisahan ko na yung paggugupit para matapos na ito because I have a lot of pending works pa na tatapusin. Kaya ayan mga guys, at i-fast forward na natin yung paggugupit. And magpiprint pa ako nito guys ng 1 copy para ilagay ko sa loob ng box. Wala pa akong nagawa na box mga guys. So that's another work to do na naman. But it's okay. I am enjoying my work. And it is not tiring kung hindi mo naman iniisip na mabigat yung ginagawa mo. And 5 words lang naman to mga guys. So madali lang tong matapos. And mag-ingat pala sa paggamit ng gunting. Habang nagugupit ako dyan mga guys, naisipan ko na ilagay siya sa karton o folder para tumigas itong ating flashcard na gagawin. Kasi guys, maganda kapag nasa hard yung ating mga flashcards at lagyan natin ng scotch tape or plastic cover para hindi siya masira kaagad-agad. Syempre, para matigas siya hawakan. Para smooth lang yung ating pagpa-flash ng mga flashcards. So, time-consuming siya guys kung gawin. But my advice is i-enjoy nyo lang yung work at syempre wag nyo nang isipin na nakakapagod. Just think positivity and be productive na lang tayo mga guys. And I believe in a saying that in every work that we are doing, there is a finish line for it. Kaya I'm on the go. So malapit na tayong matapos dyan mga guys. Konting kembot na lang at matatapos na rin ito. At maya-maya is makikita nyo na yung 5 words at yung flashcard na gagawin nating instructional materials. At share ko lang, grabe talaga yung puyat ko dito mga guys sa paggawa ng IMs. As in, hindi siya basta-bastang gawain. You need to give time, you need to give your effort, you need to give your attention para lang matapos. Kasi kung wala, there's no work to be finished. Kaya ganyan ako ka-responsible sa aking work. Sabi ng responsible, di ba mga guys? Alright. Then after ko magawa to guys, itong mga instructional materials ko, ilalagay ko siya sa inside ng aking brown envelope, then covered by plastic envelope para hindi siya mabasa and of course hindi siya masira kagad-agad. So yan na yung nagupit ko mga guys and it is 5 of them. That's all for my sharing today. God bless and see you on my next vlog mga guys. See ya!